All right, today we're going to talk about how to store your filaments and keep the moisture down. I haven't had any problems printing so far with moisture, but I have been storing them in this box. I'm going to show how I'm doing it. So this is a pretty big Ziploc box, and it's a weather shield box, so it's got a foam seal. I'll put the link down below to it. So we look out here, the humidity outside is 75 degrees, the humidity is about 47%. So we can open this box. Off. And inside, you can see it's only 32% humidity. And in this case, this is a different kind of sensor, so the humidity is on the top. It's already going up because I opened it up. So when I get these little silica gel packs, I throw them in here as an extra buffer for moisture. So you can see you can store lots of reels in this box. And to keep the moisture down, I'm using these things called EverDry. So I've got two of them. This one's labeled 2, the other one's labeled 1. And I rotate them in and out. So I keep 2 in there most of the time, but then every couple weeks I'll take one out and plug it in to dry it out, and then I'll put it back in. So, and then the next week I'll do the other one. Rather, 2 weeks later I'll do the other one. So here's the other one. We labeled number 1. It's upside down, but that's all right. We got it plugged in here, and you notice I have it on a little old bread pan because it gets super hot. So let's take a look at the temperature here. So the surface of it is about 160 degrees. You don't want to really lay this down. This is Fahrenheit, of course. You don't really want to lay this down on top of the wood or somewhere. It's just going to cause problems. So when I dry it out, I put it on this bread pan. It's just plugged in down below here. And then it can heat up safely and dry the moisture off, and then I can put it back in the box and it'll help keep it dry. So that's what I'm doing. It seems like a good solution. I've tried a couple of other things, but I think this is the best thing. And then when I want to use a reel, I just take it out and put it in the machine, and then when I'm done, I can put it back. It's Beta Cygni signing out. If you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'm going to be making some more in the near future.